Simple and reliable connectivity with fast and easy connection in high vibration environments. This is an idea behind HARTING M8 and M12 PushPull connector styles. These connectors bring the benefit of HARTING PushPull in a form factor of M8 or M12 connector styles. The connector's robust housing and reliable connection system makes it perfectly suited in harsh and vibration-heavy environments. An audible click indicates when connector is connected, and simple assembly that requires no special tooling allows for very quick and easy installations in the field. The M8 and M12 PushPull save space by eliminating the need for additional area to screw the connector down to the receptacle. The design also includes knurling on the side of the connector to ensure easy handling. M8 and M12 PushPull device side housings are also backwards compatible with the standard threaded M8 and M12 connector styles. This feature allows for any existing threaded M8 and M12 connector to be connected to HARTING's PushPull receptacle side, as well as utilization of the rapid push-pull connection technology achieved with HARTING M8 and M12 PushPull connectors.